How to cure dry eye syndrome using natural remedies. Dry eye syndrome is a common health problem where the eyes feel sore, dry, gritty or stingy. This happens because the small glands in your eyes stop producing tears, so your eyes dry out and become sore. The good news is that you can reverse dry eye syndrome by fixing your diet. In today's video, we are going to share with you 10 natural ways to cure dry eyes by treating the underlying problem. Remedy 1. Cod liver oil. Take 1 teaspoon of Icelandic virgin cod liver oil on a daily basis. Make sure to read the labels to ensure that there is over 100% NRV of vitamin A. The active form of vitamin A found in cod liver oil is called Retinol, which helps to fix your tear glands to help lubricate the eyes. Remedy 2. Zinc Chelate. Take a daily supplement of 200 mg chelated zinc. All of the nerve cells in your eyes contain zinc because it helps to control nerve cell communication. This will help to reverse any damage caused by having dry eyes over a long period of time. Remedy 3. Humidify the room. Purchase a small humidifier for your main sitting room at home. This helps to put moisture into the air and prevent your eyes from drying out. This will protect the small blood vessels in your eyes from damage whilst you work on fixing the underlying problem. Remedy 4. Eat oily fish. Eat wild-caught salmon, sardines, anchovies and other oily fish at least 3 times per week. Oily fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which forms the oily part of your tears. This helps the tears from drying up in your eyes. Remedy 5. Get more vitamin A. Eat foods rich in the active form of vitamin A, such as grass-fed butter, egg yolks, beef liver and cheese. Vitamin A deficiency is the main underlying cause of dry eyes, so you must get more of this into your diet in its active form called retinol. Remedy 6. Oxbile. Some people are getting plenty of active vitamin A in their diets but aren't absorbing it. Taking a supplement of purified bile salts after each meal will help your stomach to break down and absorb fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin A. This will help to replenish the small blood vessels connected to your tear glands and heal them. Remedy 7. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink in the morning on an empty stomach. This helps to control your blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of further damage to your eyes. High blood sugars is one of the main reasons the tear glands become damaged in the first place. Remedy 8. Switch to healthy oils. Cut out inflammatory vegetable oils from your diet and switch to healthier options like extra virgin olive oil, grass-fed butter and raw coconut oils. These help to lower inflammation so that your eyes can heal. Remedy 9. Blue light filter. Our computers and mobile devices emit a blue light which can damage the retina and make dry eye symptoms much worse. Download a blue light filter app to prevent photochemical damage to your eyes. You can also get plain or prescription glasses which block blue light. Remedy 10. Lubricating drops. Start taking lubricating eye drops which contain 0.2% sodium hyaluronate. Make sure that these are preservative-free. These help to replace your tears to protect your eye from becoming damaged by the dryness. Bonus remedy: liquid MSM. Use liquid MSM eye drops on a daily basis. This is a type of organic sulfur which helps to hydrate and lubricate your eyes by making the membrane soft and youthful. It helps to reduce inflammation and soreness and is particularly useful for reducing seasonal allergies. Try out a mixture of these remedies and see which works best for you. The underlying cause of dry eyes is usually a vitamin A deficiency. The type of vitamin A we are talking about here is called retinol and is the active form found in animal-based foods and oil. Virgin cod liver oil is actually the best source found in nature and also contains omega-3s which help in the healing process. Loading up on this and other vitamin A rich foods helps to reverse microvascular damage to the tear ducts, tear glands and the cells within your eyes. Also, you may notice that you get dry eyes 1 to 2 days after eating lots of sugary foods. This is because sugary foods cause damage to the cells within your tear ducts, leading to poor lubrication of the eye. You can fix your diet completely by following a healthy keto plan and using some of the remedies we have shared today. On a final note, if you do have dry eyes, you are at a higher risk of cataracts, glaucoma and macular degeneration later in life. So start fixing your diet today to protect your long-term health. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.